What is going on, guys? I hope you're all well. Today we have another review of a Nike Dunk, but it is not the standard Panda we're going to be reviewing today. It is actually the upgrade that they've decided to come out with, and that is the World Championship edition of the black and white Dunk. So let's get straight into the video. Hope you guys enjoy. Now, let's get into the materials of this shoe. When it comes to this shoe, it's actually a lot better in hand than what I thought it was going to be in pictures. The leather is definitely different when it comes to the first Panda Dunk that released. It actually feels a bit more premium. Nothing too crazy, but it just feels a lot more better to the touch. The leather toe box on the front here is pretty much the same sort of leather on the Panda Dunks which come out. There's also a swoosh here which is made out of patent leather, which is different, and it gives it a nice little detail to the shoe, which I find pretty cool. I'd say this is definitely better than the pictures, and just the overall look and design of it just feels like it's got a bit more character to the shoe. I felt like the black and white Dunk that comes out all the time, it's just a bit boring, and it doesn't have anything that makes it just pop. But these little gold details on this shoe, it just goes really well together. It reminds me of the Supreme Dunk that actually came out, I think it was late last year sometime, when they released like 3 colorways. This reminds me of the black colorway a lot. And this is definitely going to be the closest Dunk you're going to be getting to try and get the same as that Supreme Dunk. So if you like the black and white ones of that Supreme Dunk, definitely try and cop a pair of these. Now, the pricing of this shoe cost me £110 on the Nike app. It was a bit of a faff trying to get it because it released first come first serve, and it didn't let anyone check out for about 10 minutes. I don't know why, but yeah, it's just a bit weird. I thought it sold out. And then a notification come up on Twitter saying, oh, you can check out now. So I went to Basket, check out, and yeah, I managed to actually get a pair. I'd say it's definitely worth the money compared to the other Dunk anyways. I'd say this is actually better than the other Dunk because I like shoes that have a little bit of detail to them instead of just being like plain black and white. Like, I like these little touches here, the gold and everything. So I'd definitely say it's worth the money, especially compared to that previous Dunk. For sizing, I'd definitely go true to size when it comes to these Dunks. They're comfortable on the foot, nothing loose, there's nothing too tight, it's just perfect fitting, even though it's got a little bit of pattern leather on the side and just got like different leather around the materials on the toe box. If you've got a pair of Panda Dunks and you want to add these to the collection, definitely go to the same size. They're comfortable, it's just a casual shoe at the end of the day, and yeah, it just works. It just goes with everything pretty much. So guys, I've gone over the materials, I've gone over the price, and I've gone over how the shoe fits. Now, you know what to do. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to turn on those notifications. Now, I hope you enjoyed it on foot. Enjoy the rest of your day. I'll see you soon.